Okay, so we have two sides of an equilateral triangle have these particular lengths, that length and that length. What could be the length of the third side? Well, it's going to have to be equal. So if we can set these two equal to each other, so we know they're equal, we can find out the value of x. And if we plug it in here, we should get a number that's equal to what those two are. Okay. Now, it just so happens that two different algebraic expressions could reach the same number. Obviously, these two reach the same number because they're equal. So some other two could also reach that number. And so maybe they both come up with the same length. So they're asking which of these, if either of them, or maybe both of them, will give you the same length. Okay, that's what we're doing here. So we're going to take what they give us, and what they give us is x plus 2. Since the sides are equal, they're equilateral, should be equal to negative 2x plus 20. We can use this to solve for x. Add 2x to both sides. Subtract 2, subtract 2. 3x equals 18. Divide by 3. Divide by 3. X equals 6. Now, we still don't know what the sides measure. So let's find that out first, okay? We had an expression for one side and an expression for the other side, so let's just take those two things. We know that they should be equal. Let's plug that in there and find out what they are. So we're going to go back up here, take another color, let's say x plus 2, we know is going to be equal, because they're the same length, to negative 2x plus 20. What are those lengths? So we're going to put in 6 for x, and we've got 8 here, equals negative 12 plus 20, which is equal to 8. Okay, so the sides measure 8, and it's an equilateral triangle, so that third side should measure 8 as well. So we're going to take the two expressions that they have and say, what do you get when you use them? We're going to write in what they say here, what are the lengths of the third side? 14 minus x, or 2x plus 4, or both or neither. So we're going to say 14 minus x. What does that give you? 14 minus x was 6. 14 minus 6 is 8. Yeah, that one works. That one works as an expression because we do get 8. And let's try the other one. 2x plus 4. 2x is 6. 2 times 6 is 12. 12 plus 4 is 16. Nope. That doesn't get us to the length of 8 that we know every side is. So it's not 2x plus 4, but it does equal, 14 minus x gets you there. So when they say which could be a length, you could say 14 minus x only. I like that problem.